does this TikTok hack work? Let's see, you guys, what apple should we pick for the bunny? This is a perfect one. It's so perfect. Let's go find the bunny. What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Victoria, and today in this video I have another POV unboxing. So if you want to know what is inside my Bath&BodyWorks boxes, just continue watching. Yeah, anyways, so I did take off my address. It looks a little bit funky, but that's okay. I didn't have any like fall stickers, just this beautiful background of crab apples from the apple tree that grows in my yard. So anyways, let's get these unboxed. I have a new unboxer. I got this from Hobby Lobby, and then I got this from Amazon. And also this video is going to be a Bath&BodyWorks haul, and also the reason why I bought so much stuff is because everything was like on sale, and then I used my birthday discount thing, and then I had like free stuff. And also I seen this awesome hack on TikTok for Bath&BodyWorks wall plugins, and I'm like so excited, so I can't wait to try that out finally. So I'm gonna get back to this guy when I unbox the wall plugins. So let's see. So I went in store to a Bath&BodyWorks, like a freestanding store, and I was like so excited because I haven't been inside a Bath&BodyWorks in so long. Oh my gosh, like look at how cute this looks with the apples in the back. That's why I wanted to like sit out here on the crab apples, not these squirrels and the bees and actually the bunnies. I've been watching the bunnies eat apples in my yard all summer. It's like been the most aesthetically like mind-soothing thing for like my mental health this summer. I think like everybody was going through it this summer. I don't know if it was like the full moon or something. I don't know what people were saying, but yeah, I got 2 candles in this box. And at the store, I honestly got 2 candles. Okay, you guys, I literally just came back from Bath&BodyWorks, and I used my 20% coupon for the candle holder and 2 candles. They were literally $10 off. So I got Fairy Tale. I also got this one with acorns. It's called Autumn Woods. Literally, the bag smells so yummy right now. And also, I got this for free. Like some stress relief hand cream with eucalyptus and spearmint. So yeah, these. Oh, here, let me open this and show you. I don't have any batteries yet, but I'm gonna check what batteries it needs. It literally lights up. Isn't this so cute? Super cute. I am in love with this spray. I don't know if I got the candle. Probably. Let's see. Yeah, at the store I got some fall stuff and a fall candle holder and stuff like that. Oh, smell. And when you smell the candle, I smell the lid inside the store. I smell the candle at home. I don't know why. It's because I know I'm gonna light it, and I think I want to look cool inside the store and know what I'm doing when I'm smelling a candle. Does someone not open this thing? I don't know. I haven't gotten candles in the mail in a few years. I think this is that mahogany teakwood candle now. Yeah, I can smell it. It is. I love it so much. Okay, so this is going to be for my car. I already got a free full-size body spray, but it's autumn sweater or sweater weather, and I'm using that for my car. It smells like crisp apples. I love it so much. So yeah, this is like the cutest, like that. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. Okay, I'm gonna take this out the way because I want to see the box unopened with the apples. That looks super cute. And how else do we have scents without fruits and fresh grass and nature and crisp fall weather air? I just like it. Yeah! This is the haul that I've been waiting for. Oh, these weren't really... Surprised none of them broke. So this is everything. So I'm just gonna put the candles in here. I should have grabbed the other candles too. The candles are inside in their bags still. Do a thumbnail real quick. Alright, so let me open this because I'm like so excited. I just been wanting to open this thing already. So I got this one because the other ones, the lady on TikTok was saying if you don't want the essential oil refill or something like that, like you just want this, just get this. So these alone were all sold out. The value packs with the essential oils were still there. And yeah, oh my gosh, I'm so excited. So let's see if it works. Here's the batteries. It comes with batteries. Oh my gosh. And you don't even have to plug this in. Okay, so let me show you the wall plug-ins I got so we can pick one, because I have to put a wall plug in here before I put the lid back on. So I got the stress relief. Oh, that's crazy because with my free miniature 750 certificate, I got the hand cream for my car, so that's cool. Sweater wear, mahogany teak wood, mahogany apple, cute, cinnamon stick. I think I'm gonna plug the apple one in, you guys. This was tiki beach, autumn, flannel, pumpkin clove. Someone right now is on a flight to Caribbean escape. This is coconut and cotton. And strawberry pound cake. Yay! And I just found air fresheners for watermelon, and it smells exactly like the Bath&BodyWorks watermelon candle. What we were gonna open? Apple. Okay, let's open the apple one. Guys, it goes the opposite way. I totally forgot. I haven't bought these in so long. Okay, so they're just supposed to... It's hard with... I don't know. It's just... There it goes. Yes. Okay, so it kind of like works and stuff. You don't even need to plug this into your wall. Like, okay, so I don't know if I'm like it's too heavy or something. I don't even know, but you see how it doesn't really like clip in there. It like semi works. It works. Does this TikTok hack work? You kind of gotta like mess with it, and I can't just like leave it in my car, you know, to like go. I gotta keep checking it. Okay, so this is the free bottle that I chose. I love it so much. I love this like argyle type texture, and then this has texture as well. I don't know if you could like really see it on camera, and it smells like pears and apples. So when I turned it around, I had no idea that they list the fragrance literally like right here. I thought it was like really small or somewhere else. It has apples. I was like, what? And then it has autumn leaves, and then I got orchard woods. It smells so yummy. It smells so yummy, so crisp, so fresh. It literally smells like one of those really clean hairsprays, and I'm like so in love with like perfumed hairsprays. So yeah, this is what I chose for my car because it's just like really fresh and clean. And these, I can't wait to, I don't know, I think I'm gonna get a different wall plug now, like a holiday theme one, because this is like semi-working, semi-not. And yeah, I would just have to like watch it if I'm like chilling somewhere and I just want like a little scent by me instead of lighting a candle. Then it would be by me, and then I'll notice if it's like diffusing or not, which it is. Turn off right now. So see, so like lights blue and it doesn't. I don't know if I gotta be like on a, there it goes. Cool. Oh, it smells yummy. That's the apple one. Okay, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Until next time, bye.